I'm going to do Bob Dylan, Girl from the North Country. And this one is what I call a 3-chord wonder. But within the 3 chords, it's kind of cool. You can do lots of little licks and little fills. If you're traveling to the North Country Fair, where the winds hit heavy on the borderline, see for me one who lives there. She once was the true love of mine. One of my favorite Bob Dylan songs, and one of the reasons is within these 3 chords, which is a G, a B minor, a C, and then back to G. So it is a 3-chord song. You can do what I call connective tissue, a lot of cool little licks in between. For instance, you can do a walk up to start it out. So that's just an E, F sharp, G, open, 2, 3. So my open strings of my G chord. Kind of an easy. But here's what it sounds like in context. You'll see I'm doing little hammer-ons on the C. It's just both work really well, especially if you're singing, you want to accompany yourself and you're going, if you're traveling to the North Country Fair, you do like little melodies within the song itself. And kind of almost like a call and response to the chords. And that's what a lot of people do when they play acoustic. To make it more interesting, you kind of do little hammer-ons. I'm just spelling out the chords. If you look at that G chord, and when I go to a B minor, I just spell it out. Do a little arpeggio within the actual context of the chord. Sometimes I'll let an open E ring out like this. And the same with the C chord. Do a hammer on. So all these little connective tissues in a song as simple as this with 3 chords ends up sounding like this when you put them all together. If you're traveling where the snowflakes fall, where the rivers freeze in the summer's eve, see for me, she's wearing a coat so warm. Where the winds hit heavy on the borderline, see for me one who lives there. She once was a true love. Chord Wonder, Girl from the North Country by Bob Dylan.
My friend Jimmy has the coolest guitar lessons. Go to jimmydillon.com/free and get all your amazing gifts. He's the best. Roll! Rock and roll! Stay awesome and rock and roll!
Hey, thanks for watching the video. And you know what, it would mean a lot to me if you'd hit the subscribe button above and then hit the bell notification for new videos when they come out.